Haven't cold started my new blaster yet. New for paint job and stuff. I made a video about it. I'm just gonna prime her up a little bit. It's been sitting out here for a little bit. Probably it was in the garage overnight, which is also cold. But I got my boots on and stuff. Put it on run. It already is on run. Oh no, it isn't. Yes, it is. One pre-kick. It's hard to keep my balance because there's no foot pegs. I mean, there's foot pegs, but there's no foot heel guards. And first kick. Okay. Probably help if I turn the gas on. And again, this is no choke, so it might not even start. First kick. Oh, let's see if you more after that choke. Without the choke, it's not going to start. Pull the choke out, which doesn't stay out by itself. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. Let's give it a few kicks. It runs. Better shut the gas off so it don't flood. Thanks for watching.